Hey, what's up guys? I hope you're all doing well and welcome to another video tutorial. And in this video, what I will be showing you guys how to do is how you can register an account on the Wolt food ordering app. So let's get started right now. So currently I am logged into the application and I am on a guest account. Now, as you can see, when I click profile, here you will see that I'm not logged in, as I've already said. Now, if you want to log in, you can continue with Google as is said here, or you can sign up with another service. If you continue with Google, you will be in your currently logged in Google account on your device. However, when we click on sign up, you can either continue with email or continue with Facebook. If you continue with Facebook, it'll log into your currently logged in Facebook account on your device. And if we click continue to email, you can send your email, and that is what you want to do. So let's say I have this placeholder email. Let's say I enter this one, click send magic link. And once you do that, your email will be checked and it will be done. Now, when you actually get that email, you will have the option to click the link that was provided to you. And once you click that in, as is stated on the screen currently, with that magic link, you will be able to actually log into the actual application via your profile. And if you don't, well, you can still continue as guest. You can log in just like this. And I put in a arbitrary address for the purposes of this tutorial. However, you should pick your own address, and once you do, you'll be able to select exactly on the map where it is, so that the delivery driver knows where the entrance to the building is. And that is pretty much it. Also, there are other few things. You can pick the type of building you are in, the address, etc., and detailed instructions for the delivery driver, and so on and so forth. So that would be pretty much it from me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you guys in another video.